Hi, Julia Clancey. I'm back with the Edith turban. This time it's one which is in the silk dew peony and the chamois, and it's tied up like a little rose here. I'm just going to show you how we achieve that. And you can flip the sides back if you want, or just have them this way. And all the Ediths are fully reversible, so you can have a little play with them. They all come with a little hair scrunchie here. So I would recommend that you tie that 3 times around your head. They do come already tied, so you can pop it on your head and then just tie it and make sure that you've got the right fit. And then when you got to that point, put this around like this, then we have this area here. A good way to look after this in between styles is to get a little handheld steamer and just give it a little steam, so keep it looking all lovely. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to grab the edge, we're going to gather little by little, like so, and then we twist it. I mean, all the styles are a variation of twisting, like whether you twist it tight, how you fold it, whether you twist it loosely and put it into place. There's really lots of different ways that you can experiment and find unique ways. So I'm just wrapping that round, and I'm keeping the contrast edge just over there as well. You can see what I'm doing here. And then wrapping that round. Just gonna keep that nice and flush. And then when I get to the end, again, we just grab the little piece at the end, grab it, and then we push it underneath. Whoops, push it underneath. And then the original scrunchie band that we had when we put it on, we're gonna get that end, and we're gonna find that little scrunchie, and we're just gonna tuck it into there. We have this, which is a very kind of nice, easy, classic way of wearing the Edith turban.